inherent animosity between our people. And it is patently wrong to allow such differences to erode confidence in our heritage and generate enmity and strife between our kith and kin. Our forefathers knew who they were and what they were doing. They fought concrete layers between Asante and dominated by warfare. In the 1st century, both Asante and Alo collaborated on many issues as the country
go through
periods of change.
Asante Hene dutifully created an Aloga division as an equal part of the traditional administration of Kumasi. Indeed, we have gone further to create and the Ando state. Toby War, Mama War, we do not enter the police as traditional leaders, but we will permit back to the election that ushered in an American Republic. I do this most reluctantly, but with some personal feeling because of the need to clear some of the distortions that have festered and adversely affected our relations.
There is no historian or political analyst who would deny that the odds were stacked against the first son of the Ando state, Komla, when the National Alliance of Liberals. Bedema was CP, even though he had fallen out with President Nkrumah and spent time in exile. His political base was that of the CP. President Nkrumah was overthrown, the CPP was proscribed, and its members banned from the area where he was heralded as a favorite son. In the rest of the country, the base from which he would draw his support had been removed. It was a political opposition to President Nkrumah which naturally benefited from the political process. Only politicians, not us traditional rulers, can understand and address the machinations at work then. What nobody can suggest on any evidence is that it had anything to do with Asante or any ethnic consideration for that matter. But Tobiwa Mamawo now consider why this means so much to me personally. When Komla Abeli Bedema formed now National Alliance of, he find the man to be his right man as national chairman. The person he found to be his national chairman was no other than my own brother. Yes, my own brother, Bama John Francis Kobna, son of the then reigning Asante Hene, Nana Mesuenyako. John Kobna, a distinguished lawyer, knew he was placing his future traditional prospects at risk by opting for frontline politics at the time. But he believed so much in the leadership of Bedema, he was willing to make the supreme sacrifice. One of the Asante man, at the very heart of Manchia, we are there as the right hand of Afro Bedema. Indeed, there was an Asante conspiracy against him. And how does it feel for my own brother to make the sacrifice he made, only to hear the distortions that have persisted to this day. Clearly, it is only fair that we begin to debunk the myths and learn to separate the machinations, conduct of individual politicians from the root of their religious orientation. By the wisdom of our forefathers, the celebration of it appropriately provides for a period of reflection and soul-searching for the settlement and resolution of discord with families and among the people. Today, the Awomefia, chiefs, Abotwada, and queens of our state can set a beautiful example for our nation by process of discord resolution beyond the limited family and traditional environment. You can help kickstart the process themselves of past contaminants of all types, flush out the source of discord, of a healthier climate for public discourse
and social and even political interaction. Awomefia, Asante Hene thanks you for remaining true to the ideals of our forefathers. We are proud that Tobiwo, Mama Garo, and others for the loyalty and good counsel which they have served their proud state. And we thank you again and again for hospitality. As we prepare for gather to goodbye, I ask in the spirit of the moment to let the evidence of Otumfuo in the energy of to the music of praise to the glory of one nation we proudly call Ghana. Joy forever, friends, together in the arms of great Ghana. Azar, no.